Okay, so it says for fluency, it says that three friends go to a local farmer's market. Latasha spends $3.35, and Helen spends 4 times as much as Latasha. And then D spends $7.50 more than Helen. How much does D spend? So we're looking for how much D is spending. But first, before we figure out how much D is spending, we have to figure out how much Helen is spending. So if Helen spends 4 times as much as her friend Latasha, we have to sit here and we have to figure out how much Helen spends first. So 4 times, it has the word times in it. So we have to multiply $3.35 times 4. So we're going to start. Remember I said before we multiply with decimals, we have to count the numbers behind the decimal point. So I see a 3 and a 5. So that's 2 numbers behind the decimal point. There's no numbers behind the 4, so that means that I'm going to eventually be moving my decimal point 2 times. So I sit here, and now I'm going to start by multiplying. So I do 3, 3, 5 times 4. And then I drag my line down and I begin to multiply. 5 times 4, 20. So I put my 0. Now if you're struggling with your multiplication facts, I do have that red X next to fluency, so all you have to do is click on that and your multiplication chart will come up. 2. So then I do 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus the 2 is 14. So I put my 4. And then I bring up my 1. And then I have 4 times 3 was 12, plus 1 is 13. So I put my 3. And then I put my 1. And we have to move that decimal point 2 times. So my decimal point is always at the back with a whole number, and I move it twice. 1, 2. Okay, so Helen spends $13.40. So we're going to put down here, and you won't have to worry about putting this text box there. It'll be there for you. Helen spent $13.40. Again, that will be there for you, so you won't have to type that. So now we have to figure out D spent $7.50 more than Helen. So if she spent $7.50 more than her, if it's more than, you're going to be adding that to her cost. So you would do your 13 point, the decimal point, 4, 0, and then you're adding. And remember, when we add decimal points, we want to make sure that we line up our digits based off their place values and line up our decimal points based off their place values. So you have 7, and then the 5 is in the 10th place, so I'm going to put it under 4 in the 10th place. And then I have a 0, so I'm putting 0 in the 100th place. And then I bring my line. And remember, before we start adding, we have to drop that decimal point straight on down. Drop it down, drop it down, drop it down. So then we do 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 5 is 9. 7 plus 3 is 10. So I'll put my 0. Bring up my 1. And I have 1 plus 1 is 2. So D is going to spend, and I'm going to make my text box for you all to have. You won't have to do this, it'll be there for you. And I'm going to say D spends $20.90. Okay? And that is how you're doing fluency for today.